Well, here we are, look.
To come here and take this seriously.
These guys, the Climate Assembly UK first weekend roundup. Look at the amount of likes. Look at the amount of dislikes. What have you got right here? What have you got? Look. Comments are turned off. It's a 2-minute video. Right? It's a 2-minute 43 video. It's a roundup. Whatever it is. It's rubbish. Nobody's interested. Okay? Just stop the fucking chemtrailing. Let me just show you what's going on outside my window right now. Okay?
That. You see that? Yeah, that is exactly what we're fucking talking about. Okay? So,
take your climate change bollocks and shove it up your fucking arse, mate. Stop that fucking nonsense up the top there, and we've got ourselves a deal. Alright? Simple as that. Now, take your fucking climate change bollocks and shove it up your nose.